Hey folks, what's up? We are here on the wonderful Malines Road. If you want to get connected from Harper Tree all the way down to Washington Boulevard, you have to come from Malines Road. For this entire month of March, we have our March Madness going on. Where if you sign up one person to join the company, we're gonna give you I'm gonna take this off. If you get one person to join the company, we're gonna give you 3 free shipping coupons. And the person who signs up is gonna get 1 free shipping coupon. Listen, there is no limit on the amount of persons they can get to sign up. So you know what that means? They can get no free shipping coupon. We also still have our special for anybody who is a first responder. They're gonna get 10% discount for life on their shipment. Alright? So guys, spread the word. Tell all of your firefighter, your police, your doctor, your soldier friend them, your warden friend them. Tell all of them. Join the company and they will get a 10% discount on their shipping. Where you with pan? Go deal with it right now. Look in the description box somewhere down here. So you're going to see the link to the website. Join us if you don't join us yet. Tell your family and friends who are firefighters, police, first responders. Tell them to join us and you will get a whole heap of freebies. So come down, we're going to deliver some things. Wow. Ano to oda ada?
She's here from afar. Oh
yeah, shit.
Ever bring this up home to you now?
You know like
Good afternoon.
Can't work and I eat any working for me, man.
She hiding. I'm here to tell you about the 3-for-1 promotion, our March Madness. You heard about it?
Remember say he did it to me.
Huh?
I do for me last time.
You know you're
I
March
see
Madness?
full.
Well, if you get one person to sign up, we're going to give you 3 free shipping coupons.
No man, I
And
open
the
the last
person that they
year.
get to sign up, they're going to get 1 free shipping coupon. Oh, that's all. You like that? You know anybody who is a first responder, like a firefighter, warden, police, doctor, nurse, soldier, ATM. Alright, so you know somebody who is a first responder. That first responder person, they're going to get a free lifetime, 10% discount on whatever they should. So tell them to join the company, alright? She said, yes, sure, buddy. You hear that? Alright, so there you're on the river. So catch you later, you hear? What's your company? Telecom, don't stop. Telecom?
Alright.
What do you
Yeah.
Computer, TV.
Okay, sell it and repair.
Repair.
You hear that? Telecom. TV, phone repair. Right, that's it. Alright guys. Bye.